It's hot outside, it's summertime. So we all need something refreshing and cool and tropical to eat. This pineapple pudding cake is your ticket. Let's get to cooking. We're going to start off with any kind of cake mix. I use the yellow. You need a 13 by 9, but I like, needs to be a little deep because it's got like 5 or 6 layers. 1 cup of water, or you can substitute milk for it if you want to. 1/2 cup of oil. I got 3 eggs. You just go by the cake, the directions on the cake box. 3 eggs, lightly beaten. And we're going to mix it. We're going to pour this cake mix into our pan. I got to spray it just a hair so it'll come out easy. Make it level, our cake. We're going to cook it in a 350 oven for about 23-28 minutes. We got the cake in the oven. Now we're going to cook the topping. You need a large can of crushed pineapple, and a cup of sugar. And we're going to mix this. I've taken the cake out of the oven, and you take a knife and check and see if it's done. That's how you, when the knife comes out clean, it's done. My topping is hot, and all melted together. And we're going to put holes in the cake so that topping will seep down into that cake. It is going to be so moist, which it already is moist because of the cake. That should be enough. I'm gonna pour it or spoon it. We'll spread it out. Let everything get a little bit of that pineapple. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour and let it get, cool, so we can put our pudding topping on there and it won't melt. It's been in the fridge cooling. You want it chilled. And now we're fixing to make the other layer, the pudding. I've got two packages of vanilla instant pudding. We're going to use 4 cups. Whisk it a little bit, and then I'm going to beat it with a mixer. Then we're going to put a half a container of 8-ounce of sour cream. So that would be 4 ounces. We've mixed it until it's smooth. Everything's incorporated, and we're going to pour it over the top. They're going to put our layer of Cool Whip. Very gently smooth that out. See, now you know why you have to use a pan that's kind of deep. There's a lot of layers. Now for the coconut. The recipe called for a can of coconut, but they don't make canned coconut anymore. So we're just gonna sprinkle some out of this bag. If your people don't like coconut, you can either don't put it on there or just put half of it on there. Half of one side. Then the last layer is chopped up pecans. After this, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 hours, let it get good and chilled, and then we're going to cut into this thing. So I hope you try it, and I know you're going to love it. So until next time, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.